Creating a vlog can be a fun and creative way to share your thoughts, experiences, and ideas with an audience. Here are some steps to help you create your own vlog. Plan your content. Before you start filming, take some time to plan what you want to talk about in your vlog. Consider the topics that you are passionate about and that your audience might be interested in. Get the right equipment. You don't need a professional-grade camera to start vlogging. But you'll want to invest in a good quality camera, tripod, and microphone to ensure that your videos look and sound professional. Film and edit your videos. Once you have your equipment, start filming your videos. You can use your smartphone or a digital camera to film. Once you've filmed your video, you'll need to edit it to make sure that it looks and sounds great. Optimize your videos for YouTube, to ensure that your videos are optimized for YouTube. You'll want to make sure that they are the right length, have a catchy title and description, and are properly tagged and categorized. Share your videos. Once your videos are ready, it's time to share them with the world. You can upload them to your YouTube channel and share the links on your social media accounts to get the word out. Engage with your audience. Building a community is important for vlogging. So make sure to engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions, and encouraging them to share their thoughts and opinions. Remember that creating a successful vlog takes time and effort, so be patient and don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience, and you'll see your channel grow over time.